Every day, your company generates tons of information. What if you could understand it, harness it, and act intelligently in seconds? Introducing Zencillo Viviseven, the business artificial intelligence designed to think with you, understand your data, and help you make smarter decisions. Upload files like PDFs, Excel sheets, PowerPoint, even videos, APIs, databases, or other systems. Ask questions like, what invoices are still pending? Or how's my inventory doing? And get clear, actionable answers in real time. With intelligent agents, Viviseven automates processes, handles requests, ensures enterprise-grade security, and works for you 24/7. Viviseven also communicates wherever your customers or team already are. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram. Automate responses, manage orders, and provide support all from one place. With Viviseven, Zencillo optimized support for over 1,500 clients 24/7. It improved service quality by 48% and reduced human workload by 53%. The future of your company doesn't depend on more people. It depends on more intelligence. Zencillo Viviseven, the business AI that thinks with you.